gave me 7 years of your life. Took care of me in so many places, all across the world. In difficult times, in the Andes, in the Himalayas.
Oh, Shahrukh Khan, how are you?
Whoa. Thank you. You've been a great companion. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for taking care of me. And even till the end, you were there for me. Till yesterday. First time I'm wearing my hiking boots. Fellow hikers have moved ahead and I'm inside this dense, jungly, foresty kind of a place. Don't want to get lost. But I'm out again. I thought I was going to get lost. But the shoes are going. I think this will be the last hike in these shoes. So, I bid you farewell, my friend. Rest in peace. Bye-bye. And we're inside Kim again and heading towards Tanger. A last glimpse of the Reef Mountains. Not a last glimpse, you're going to see it for another 2 hours because it's showing almost 2 hours, 20 minutes. Here to my next destination, that is the northernmost city of Morocco, Tanger, right next to Spain. Mediterranean and Spain right across. So, see you guys in Tanger. Moroccan roads on my way to Tanger. Just bumped into this river. I don't know if it's a river or a lake formed by the mountain water, but beautiful. It looks like sky, but that is your Atlantic merging with the Mediterranean. And I'm very close to Cape Spartel, like Cape Spartel. Wow. It was a long drive, but worth it. Like, I think I'm on one corner of Tanger. Guess where I am? This is your Cape Spartel, and this is where the Atlantic Ocean merges with the Mediterranean. And right now, I'm just next to it. It's going to be a little bit windy, so I don't know the audio quality. It's going to be like a little muffled, but point. Beautiful. There's Kim. Go ahead. Let's go down and explore a little bit of Atlantic and the Mediterranean. Somewhere down there it's Spain and Gibraltar. Still heading down towards that point, that mini cave. So this is basically probably a dividing point where that side, let's get rid of the mask. This is basically sort of a separation. This rock, it separates probably the Mediterranean on this side, the Atlantic on that side. And if you go down all the way over that side, far away you can see more cars parked. I think there's a restaurant there, you can chill out there, right in front of the Atlantic and Mediterranean. So let's go over there. It seems to be quite a section. Oh, there's a cute mountain goat. I tried to send it a mating call. Well, this is more or less like a vantage point. So, like, you can have a cup of tea, get your snacks here, you can sit over there and enjoy the view of the Mediterranean. Yeah, that's your Mediterranean. Beautiful, isn't it? So I'll come down to the part where I was showing you the Mediterranean. This seems to be a little quieter here, so probably you can hear me better. So I'll show you another view of Mediterranean close by. Let's check out the Atlantic side of this point, Cape Spartel. And this side is the vantage point probably to observe the Atlantic. I think wherever two bodies of water meet, the water apparently is rough. That's like, I'm not a sailor or anything, but that's what I think. Look, we're all dressed for Tanger, for the beach and the sea and the ocean. There's a lonely lady contemplating things about her life next to such a peaceful setting. So that's your view. I can show you the beach part also, but there's no point because you can't take a dip in the ocean. See, right now it's the beginning of winters in Morocco. So at the moment, if you're planning to travel to the north side of Tanger, Tétouan, or these are the beach fronts where you get the Mediterranean. Tétouan is all Mediterranean. There's no Atlantic in Tétouan. It's only Tanger where you and probably it's the only place in the world apart from Spain. These are the two countries which where both the water bodies meet, both the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. And one more thing, not just Tanger. There's like if you're going back to Rabat or Casablanca, on your way you will find a city called Asela, which is a small town. Again, that's a place you should come in the summers, like Tanger. If you want to enjoy the water, that is. If you want to enjoy the Medina, the Kasbahs, any time of the year, it's okay. And especially if you're planning to reach Spain by ferry, over there, the Mediterranean side, it's just a half an hour ferry ride from Tanger. to Tarifa, South Spain. I wish I had more time that I could go to Spain and show you. I've been there before. I've done twice. I've done the road trip, once solo back in 2009 from Morocco to Spain via Tanger, and then in 2016 अपने honeymoon के लिए बीवी के साथ we went to all the way to Sevilla, Madrid, Barcelona by road. तब किमी थी जो हमको लेके गई थी. And before I leave Cape Spartel, just wanted to show you the lighthouse. Such a majestic lighthouse, you see, with an Andalusian Moroccan flag right on top. I think it's a mix of the Moorish architecture and the Moroccan flag. It's beautiful. Over there is the ticket counter. Here's a Cape Spartel restaurant. You can, and that's your ticket counter over there. That's the entrance. It's more of a family place, like a picnic place, I think. So excuse me. Hello. Bonjour. How much is the ticket? Ticket, how much? How much? Pardon? How much is the ticket? 50 second. So the entrance ticket is 50 dirhams. That is approximately $5. You can chill here or the spot over there where I was with the locals going down the cave. I decided to come back to the restaurant which was in front of the lighthouse at Cape Spartel or Cape Spartel. And while I wanted to have fish at the traditional port downtown Tanger, next to the port where you take the ferry towards Spain, I decided otherwise because it's been a tiring journey from Chefchaouen, driving almost for 2.5 hours. 5:30, and I'm not sure if they're going to serve food, if they have a fixed lunch time or a dinner time at the port. And let me show you the menu. I'll probably have a filet of Myrna and Bonjour, hi. Pardon? Okay, so the gentleman is saying I cannot make vlogs here, so let me continue later on. Not a problem. So I'm back. Like I was telling you, I am ordering for the main course a filet of Myrna. It's pronounced Myrna, I think. Myrna. Since we are in Tanger, so the emphasis is more on seafood. Since we are next to the beach, next to the Mediterranean and the Atlantic. And the filet, the Myrna, is approximately 80 dirhams, which is $8. So it's slightly again on the expensive side, but if I drive to the port and park and it's going to cost me the same, almost the same. So let's enjoy the filet. Fancy Tanjawi filet of fish, Myrna. So the sun was really bright जहाँ पे पहले बैठा हुआ था मैं, where I was sitting before. The food has arrived and it looks really interesting. The filet of Myrna fish. There's some nice warm bread, some rice with raisin. Your fish over there, कोई पकोड़ा जैसा है, like a fish meatball or I'm pretty sure it's not fish, it's potatoes. There's some veggies, steamed or grilled. There's your sauce, like a creamy sauce for the fish. And the food looks really nice. Let me give you a closer view. I'm like drooling already. And that too right in front of the Mediterranean. So yes, let's dig in. Everything looks super yummalicious. Let me show you the cream sauce. It's got, I think, mushrooms and spinach. Yeah, let's eat before it gets cold. हाँ, नींबू निचोड़ना मत भूलिएगा. उन्होंने नींबू भी दिया है. let's start. Wow, this is really good. And it seems like fresh cash of the day. There's your rice with the raisins. I don't even have to like finish this to give you my verdict. This is super yummalicious. It's like fresh Mirna of the day, and it's really good. See you on my next destination in Tanger. Signing off. I'm back at the vantage point. And it's literally sunset time next to Cape Spartel, and I'm heading for my last destination in Tanger before I leave Tanger. There's a lot to explore in Tanger as well, but it will be very similar to what I did in Chefchaouen, the Medinas, the souks, the Moroccan handicrafts. So what was different in Tanger, that's what I tried to show you. So my last stop in Tanger, and then we're heading south. Just outside Cape Spartel, I found this guy, man. Acrobatics. Salam. Kidhar khoya bekhair? So this is another vantage point at Cape Spartel where you can like enjoy the sunset. There's a car coming, so I should leave.